Hello everyone, my name is Arun Pore and my today's topic is from Core Java, which is Mortis programming. So let's start it. Okay. So programming is the process of designing, writing, testing, and maintaining the instructions that the computer follows to perform a specific task. Okay. So these instructions called code are written in a programming language, which is a set of rules and syntax that a computer can understand. One of the example of programming language is Java. Okay, so programming is like writing receipt for a computer. Just as a recipe tells you how to combine ingredients to make a dish. To make dish codes tells a computer how to perform a task. But instead of using flour and sugar, programmers use languages like Python, Java, or C++. Programming is used in many areas, such as web development. Building web development is using for building websites and web applications. Next is mobile app development. It creates app for smartphones and tablets. Next is game development, creating games for PCs, consoles, and mobile devices. Next one is artificial intelligence and machine learning. It creating intelligent systems that can learn and adapt. Programmers use various tools and techniques to write code, including algorithms, step-by-step procedures for solving problems. Data structures, ways of organizing and storing data, debugging, finding and fixing errors in code. Programming is a creative and problem-solving process. Programmers multi-think logically, break down complex problems into smaller parts, and find innovation solutions. Programming is not just about writing code. It's about creating something from scratch. It's about bringing an idea to life programs. Programmers are problem solvers, critical thinkers, and innovators. As technology advances, programming is becoming increasingly important. It's no longer just for tech enhancements, but for everyone. Whether you are an artist, a scientist, or a business professional, programming skills can enhance your work and open up new opportunities. Moreover, programming is a global language. It transcends borders, culture, and language. Programmers from around the world can collaborate, share ideas, and work together to create something amazing. In addition, programming is a consistently involving fields, new technologies, frameworks, and languages emerge every year. Programmers must continuously learn, adapt, and innovate to stay ahead of curve. To become a programmer, you don't need to be a genius or a math wise. You just need to be a serious, passionate, and writing to learn. There are many resources available from online tutorials to coding boot camps to help you to get started. In conclusion, programming is a powerful tool for creativity, innovations, and problem solving. It's a global language that can open doors to new opportunities and enhance your work. So let's embrace programming, learn to code, and create something amazing. Okay. So thank you everyone. My today's topic is done on what is programming. Thank you.